Introduction. Good day, welcome to the Powers & Putty Industrial Suppliers Visitor Induction. The purpose of this induction is to introduce all visitors to the general rules of Powers PNP on all sites of the company, or where we are actively employed as a contractor. These rules apply to all PNP sites. 2. Company values. Powers PNP provides safe, cost-effective and innovative bulk material handling, crushing, screening, and open-cast mining solutions to our clients in the SA mining and minerals industry. Powers PNP Values is also an acronym for STRIDE, to walk with long decisive steps in a specified direction. For us, these values the decisive steps we take in everything we do. Sustainability. We act today to create certainty for our people, planet and profit tomorrow. Teamwork. We work together as one team. Respect. We respect ourselves, our work and other workers. Integrity. We conduct business with honesty and transparency. Dedication. We deliver on what is expected from us, and excellence. We aspire to do things right the first time and surpass expectations. 3. COVID-19. Because we respect ourselves and other, we will follow the guidelines of government to combat the spread of this disease. We ask that, while you are on any side and working with other people, you should be mindful of your social distancing. Wear a face mask that properly covers your mouth and nose. Sanitize your hands and work area frequently. Report to section heads if you are diagnosed or has come into contact who is diagnosed with COVID. Consider getting vaccinated to reduce the effect the disease will have on you if you do get it. 4. PPE. Personal protective equipment is an essential part of accessing any site where we are operating, and in most cases you will not be permitted to enter any area where the safety signage require you to wear specific PPE. In most cases you will be required to wear flame-retardant overalls, a safety helmet, earplugs or ear protections, safety glasses, safety gloves and safety boots. Always keep your PPE clean and in good condition, and replace any pieces that are worn or damaged. 5. Client access. Whenever you will access a site where PNP is a contractor, you will be required to also do a visitor's induction. This induction will include the rules specific to that specific site or client. You will only be allowed access to the client site after you have done this visitor's induction, a breathalyzer test for alcohol, a COVID questionnaire and temperature test. Note that Powers PNP, similar to all mining and construction sites, have a zero tolerance towards alcohol and drug use on site. Whenever you take any equipment onto the site, you have to declare these items for security purposes and to be able to take it from site again. As a visitor, you are required to always be accompanied by someone from Powers PNP or the client while on site. Take note of where the emergency assembly points are on the site you are visiting. Observe the 5-meter rule with regards to mobile machinery and use safe walkways where possible. Avoid cell phone use while on site, especially using a phone while driving any vehicle is strictly forbidden. Approach the workshop and any machinery only when it's safe to do so, and you are in clear view of the operators of the machinery. Do not pick up or touch objects on site. Some molten slag and metal doesn't necessarily look dangerous. Sharp objects and corrosive fluids can be very dangerous. Report unsafe behavior or any near-miss incidents immediately, and please respect current COVID-19 rules. 6. Certificate of attendance. The site manager or site safety officer will receive notification of this induction and prepare the documentation for your site visit. If necessary, you will be contacted by the site for any specific arrangements. You will be issued with a certificate of attendance that will be valid for a limited period depending on the site, whereafter you will have to do this induction again. 7. POPI. Any personal information collected during this induction will only be used for processing your site visitor's induction. Powers PNP will not use this information for any other purpose and will discard the information after it is no longer needed. Thank you for taking the time to do this visitor's induction. Please have a safe visit on our site.